All right. Chris says we're just gonna pick these up and put them up there. Easy as that.
You getting this on video?
Oh yeah.
Keep going. Isaiah will grab his camera. So is it that bad? Ready?
No, I'm on the wrong side.
Hold my ladder.
Someone kicked me out over there.
Whoa, whoa. Whoa, you were like pushing me back.
You want me to go up the ladder now?
Yeah, we're going up the ladder together.
It's ridiculous.
It's not hard.
Speak for yourself. You got a big
Can't
ladder
lift
to
trusses
lay
if you don't work together as a team.
on. Okay, hold on. Pretend you catch me, baby, so I don't die.
I'm almost done all the way.
Okay.
Isaiah, it needs to just go on that ridge.
Okay. Now
All right,
what?
let it down. Isaiah, pull it towards you just a hair. I can't actually pull. Okay. It's this easy.
Look at that lovely scenery in the background. That lake and the cattails.
What
It's
is
pretty
it?
good.
Hammer, nails. Oh, that hammer is like. Where'd this hammer come from?
It came from the factory.
I think I got this hammer for like 30 cents at some.
I thought you were going to say 50 cents. I feel like it was like $1. Okay. 30 cents. That is a quality hammer that was $1. Oh, there's my hammer. It's over there.
They think they're doing all the work, but I'm the one who's doing all the work. Hold the camera really makes your muscles work.
Those metal things.
All right, mommy.
Henry has my glove.
Yeah, you don't need gloves, do you?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, hold on, Isaiah. Mommy's not ready yet.
I thought Henry was doing it.
Oh,
I knew you should have done
Henry
it.
was doing it.
Henry's doing it, okay. I don't know, but Isaiah and I have it.
You guys are
You
looking
should have done it.
really good.
While everyone else is putting gloves on, I'm sitting here with no gloves, holding all the weight. We gotta go together here.
Hold on. That's great.
I knew you should have done
Oh, where you go?
it. Wait, I have it on the wrong side.
Yeah, you do.
Getting all that on video, Liberty?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you gotta get them. I'm
Gotta
not
go
doing it.
towards Henry a little
I
bit.
was smiling.
Oh, man.
Towards Henry.
Oh, I gotta get up some.
Towards Henry.
Oh, yeah,
Towards Henry.
He's. There you go.
Yeah.
Daddy, pull it out. The back plate might be hitting your post.
Hold on.
You know what I'm saying?
Don't want to do anything.
Okay. Your metal plates might be snagging the post behind it.
Just. Pick up yours, Isaiah. Pick it up. It is cool. Oh, maybe it is one.
Yeah, what mommy said. Get that on video.
There we go. That's my plate.
A little more.
Isaiah was smart and pulled his out.
I can do it a little bit more. Isaiah, yours is the one that's gotta be flush.
Oh, it used to be flush?
Yeah, because looks flush to me.
That's pretty good.
Hold on, Isaiah.
What if I fall off the ladder? Like right there, I just dropped the screw. What if that was my body falling? That would get so many YouTube subscribers.
Okay, well.
Then you feel like, go on Patreon page to get the fun.
Oh, I'm so glad I put a bunch of screws and nails in my pocket so I can't tell which one's which.
This is why real men wear
Tool belt?
tool belts.
Aprons. I bet you real men don't do this type of work in Crocs either.
I bet real men wear cargo shorts and wear Crocs while doing this.
Hey, someone hand him that rope and you guys can pull that down. And I'll try to get a screw in here.
You said you wanted your gloves back. John, gave it to me on the other side?
What do you want?
Pull that down.
On this side. Oh, man, I'm on.
Can we drop more screws and nails?
No one step on those in your Crocs.
Probably bad.
I mean, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna need the other glove, and then I'm gonna need a heavy weight to hang on this with me.
Do that.
Virginia, I don't think I'm fat enough for this myself. Do I get some of your heft over here?
Could put a loop in it and just put your foot in it.
That's a great idea. I was just hanging on over there.
I certainly do not have it like that.
Well, check it out, look, try to see it.
You want me to?
Pull on. Just step on. If you just like would have looped it up and just stepped on the loop, that would have gave you leverage. You could have pulled.
No. I hide it too high.
Yeah. You got it?
I guess.
Get that on video.
You hold on to this for balance.
Liberty, Virginia with her.
If you stand up, it makes it
Technique
easier.
there.
Oh, we could have joined you.
So push this leg, stand up.
Oh, also don't hold on to the board.
So
You're
much
taking
easier.
right
I
off
forget
doing
it.
that.
Dang it.
Can I try that?
So now I got this outside truss set. I just measured over 4 feet. And I made a line here at 4 feet. And then I put some nails in here. Just put a big 2x6 in here. And then put some nails in, and that truss is going to land right here. And then I'll have something to fasten it to. This is kind of a replacement for those hurricane anchors.
I'm going to show installing one of these 2x6 blocks that will take the place of those hurricane anchors. Those are metal. You can find them at your local box store, hardware store, Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot. But this is cheaper and I believe just as strong or stronger. If you're liking this playlist, this content, make sure you hit the like button and appreciate you subscribing. And please comment, and I'm always available to answer questions. Quick little break at the Ripe Grapes Meeting of the Minds going on. There we got the 2 end pieces done. Looks good. Now we'll start on the rest.
Okay, come toward me. All right.
Trying to help as best I can.
Keep calm. Probably might need to help him. Help him hold a little weight there, Henry.
Need to go towards you a little more. I can't get up. Okay. Give me a second, I'm coming. What are we supposed to be doing here?
Push it up. Then slide it over. Isaiah, you got to go pick up over that thing. And
I know I have to read.
all right. There you go. We'll get this close where Henry can flip it. Henry, I think you're going to want to go over here.
Get some of my eyes.
Got it. Oh, shove it up, Henry. Put it inside that thing, not in the middle. So get it to where that thing goes in there. Get it to where that, see that thing?
Yes.
No, I
Try it.
On either side.
Put it to the side. Push it up.
There you go.
Now you
Now
can
push
see.
it up.
Just push.
Just push it up.
Keep pushing it.
Pushing it. Keep pushing it. Keep pushing it. All the way up. Need help? Oh, it's not gonna fall on your head. All right, Isaiah, slide it over. Slide it over, Isaiah.
Which way?
He's pretty much against it. What do you mean?
Looks like I need to come towards me a little bit. You want to come over here, Liberty, and see a string? See this string here that we pulled from that one to that one, and that way we can line it up right there. Let me get a nail in. Pick it up.
That's as high as a mommy goes, unless I get a ladder.
He's got it. Come on, dude.
You need to lean forward. Here.
Pick it up there. Get it up. There you go.
All right.
All right.
I will get the.
I need sunglasses or something.
You want me to flip it from this side?
want you to flip, yeah. No. I want you to go the other, yes.
Wow.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Onto my head.
Yes. You'd rather have
Flip
that
it.
go on your head than the other one whack you upside the chin, right?
And then here, shove it up against that once it gets up there.
There we go.
There we go.
That's not so bad.
Okay, can you guys hold that for a sec?
Yeah.
I feel like I should have put it in.
Yeah.
Okay, now I just hang out here.
Yeah, hold on. I gotta move this over till it's close to the string. You're probably good, Virginia.
Quick little break by the fire. See the progress going on. This really wasn't that hard. We just took it easy. Didn't really work that hard at it. 3 people's what you need to do this safely.
You gotta grunt more. The more you grunt, the better it is.
Use the force, mommy.
I'm really helpful.
Yeah, use the force.
Stick out.
Push it up.
And this little Y tool worked like a charm. Makes it safe, makes it to where the person below can work without an extra ladder. So highly recommend this. It would work on heavier, bigger trusses. You just might need more people to push.
You got.
It was up here that I got the splinter.
Is it?
Don't do whatever you did again.
All right. I think. Okay. Ready?
You ready for me to
Yeah.
go?
Yeah.
It was splinter getting 101.
Dude, if you actually want me to do it, you're gonna have to wait for me.
Push.
Thanks. Oh, did you take my advice this time?
What's that?
Not like this string, Virginia.
Right there.
And lining all of these trusses right up to the string makes the fascia board installation much easier.
Yeah, Henry represented our team. I got the cool part, the introduction.
I'm gonna have to get this up somehow. Up here. There we go. So I can start climbing.
Thank you for tuning into the channel and watching the content. This channel has a lot of wood turning projects, but we do a lot of things around the farm. So this is a pavilion build, and then we are going to go into building a brick oven. And then I think I'll do a quick video showing how I did a solar installation that feeds my home.
I'll come towards you a little bit. Right in there somewhere. Okay. Shut up. Push.
Me, or is my dog rolling his eyes at us as he watches us work? And I see that the girls took the time to take some of these cut-offs to be a little creative. And here we are. There's all the trusses installed. Pretty easy process. Hope you enjoyed it. And we will be going and putting the purlins on and then start putting the metal on here in the next couple videos. Thanks a lot.